So today, I'm still at home. It's still time to be in your own home and staying safe and keeping everybody well. But UPS still comes, and so does the mail, and so does Amazon and Prime and all of those. But before all this started going crazy and we had to stay at home, I attended the Photo Booth conference in Vegas, and it was such a fun event. And I saw so many new vendors and so many products and stuff. I kind of wanted it all, but I restrained myself and I was very good. But one of my items that I ordered came in today, and it's very, very exciting. I'm so happy, and I'm going to share it with you pretty quickly. So I just opened the box and I took it out of the bubble wrap, and it came with tissue wrapped around it. And it was so cute. It was striped tissue. I know it's kind of silly that I think that's cute, but I just feel like they took an extra little minute to make sure that we weren't just getting a generic package in the mail. And so my package today is from a company called Giggle Riot. And what they do is they make photo booth props, and they have a monthly program where they send you things for your photo booths. And I think we're going to join this after all this craziness stops in a few days, because it's really nice. And the first thing I got out of the box was this cute little thank you note with these are actually pictures of some of the other props that they have. But they're just so cute. I actually have the Good Vibes one, which you see right here. We do have in our selection. So let's take a look at what we got from Giggle Riot and show you what we have. What I purchased today was, well, actually I purchased a couple weeks ago, but what I got in today was the wedding kit. And we've been doing a lot of weddings, and our brides and grooms are some of our favorite customers. They're always so excited and happy, and we like to bring new things. So what we ordered were these beautiful round wood props that are etched with different sayings. So let's take a look. The first one we got was Mr. Of course, there's usually always a Mr. Sometimes there's two Misters. So we got us a Mr. And coming with Mr., we got the Mrs. And we just had our first two Mrs. weddings the other day, and it was beautiful. The brides did such a great job setting everything up and their decorations. It was so much fun. We loved it. Then we have, staying with that theme, we have Team Groom and Team Bride. So depending if you're part of the groomsmen party, or you're part of the bridal party, or maybe you're family of the groom or the bride, it gives you all those choices for you to be able to have that prop in your group of photos or with friends and everything. Some of the other ones we got is Just Married. Everybody loves this one. The brides and grooms can use it. We can use it for anniversary parties. We can just add a little sticker and stuff to the bottom and have it say Just Married 60 years ago today, 5 years ago today, 2 years ago today, 1 year ago today. We'll come up with some fun thing. We've done a lot of anniversary parties, and they are just a blast. And those brides and grooms, although it's been many, many years or many days since their wedding, it's still such an important day for them. And of course, everybody, their favorite hashtag on their wedding day is #married. This shows up a lot, so this is just a quick reminder of a fun hashtag that all pictures and photos and everything should be included. This one is either for our brides and grooms or anyone else at the party. It says I do too, and it can be for a wedding, it can be for other things. So it's a fun little prop that we can utilize. This next one is love. And during this crazy time of this epidemic or pandemic or whatever you want to call it, we all need some more love in our life and just love one another. And then the funny one of the group, and there's always one of these at the party, here for the booze. You know it. Somebody there is visiting that open bar just a little too much. But it's cool, it's fun, and I'm sure they'll be at the photo booth later in the evening having a blast. We have a generic here, congrats, which is always good. We can use this at weddings, bar mitzvahs, parties, graduations, product announcements. Almost anything we have, we can use the congrats sign. And as you can see, this is a good size. They're probably 8 maybe 10 inches round. They're very nice. They're two-sided. They're sturdy. You can't break it. There's no way I'm going to break this one. And then we can clean and wipe them down with Clorox wipes so that there's no germs left on behind. And then our favorite thing that we do for our brides and grooms is we send out a thank you message. 24 hours or about 24 hours after your wedding, we send out a message to everyone who took a photo at the wedding. It's usually of the bride and groom or the groom and groom or the bride and bride, the happy couple. We have them holding thank you. And we send this out. This is just a fun reminder for everyone who had a blast at the wedding the day before. So we're excited to have new props once we're back into the events and back having all these celebrations. So if you ever have a need for a photo booth, think about Lights Camera Selfies. You can check us out on Instagram at Lights Camera Selfies. You can check us out on Facebook at the Branding Alliance, or you can always follow my channel here, and that is Branding Ally. So go ahead, check us out, enjoy, and we hope you like our new props. Thanks.